Congrats, Pranjal, for your success.
Thank you so much, sir.
So, what's your education and where are you from?
I'm from Raipur, sir, from Chhattisgarh.
Okay.
And I am BTech from 2019 batch in computer science only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how come BRN from Raipur to BRN?
Yeah, sir. I want to become an application development in. So I just searched over internet.
Okay.
So I got to know about this institute.
Okay.
And its rating was also good. So I thought it would be good to have a look. And after the coming, I just got to from the internet.
Okay. How is the journey with 4 months of journey with BRN?
It was really very good, sir. I thought it will be not as much as good as I'm thinking.
Okay.
But after the experience I got in 4 months, it was very good, sir.
Okay. So, what is the first day of Pranjal and till today? What kind of difference that you have been observed? Technical side.
Okay, sir. Basically, I'm from computer science also. I was having a bit knowledge of coding, but after getting the experience of 4 months from here,
Okay.
and now I'm pretty much confident upon my coding skills, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how many companies that you have been attended for interviews and how many companies that you got selected?
Till now, I have attended 5 companies, 5 interviews,
Okay.
and I have been selected in 3 companies, sir.
So, okay. Did you expected that out of 5 interviews that you got selected in 3 companies? Have you expected this success before joining BRN?
No, sir, I was not expecting. I was thinking that after the completion of the course, I will look for, I will have some struggle and all. But now I didn't struggle so much, and I got selected in 3 companies due to the proper guidance of Manjunath sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what is the difference between normal trainings and BRN INFOTECH training?
And there are much difference, sir. I have training from different institute also.
Okay.
But they prefer only a theoretical and practical, but not they don't give a proper attention to each and every student.
Okay.
But here, each and every student is treated properly, and basically all the doubts were clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, before joining BRN, there must be some hesitation because you are coming from Chhattisgarh,
Yeah.
and already you had a bad experiences.
Yes, yes.
Definitely, there must be some. You can hesitate whether you can trust BRN or not.
Yes.
How did you trust BRN?
Yes, sir. Basically, earlier, sir, I am from Chhattisgarh, and it's not the base of the computer science.
Okay.
So I was little bit hesitated,
Okay.
that should I go or not.
Okay.
So, but after the completion of this course and I have the experience here, I'm pretty much confident that, sir, it is very good, and I got to know more about the coding as well as the real time, what the industry is expecting and everything, sir. So I'm pretty more confident.
Okay. So you might have seen a lot of success videos on YouTube. Now
Yeah.
your success video is going to be on YouTube. How do you feel now?
I feel very good, sir, to have, and I'm pretty glad, sir, to have the course from here, to complete this course from here, because apart from the theoretical and practical, I got to know many more about the industrial experience also here.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you suggest to the people who are looking for good careers?
If they are looking for a good career in coding, I would prefer, sir, they should go from the basic and build a base properly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, thanks for your feedback and choose the best company which you like. All the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.